In this video, we are going to construct a rectangle given the length of the diagonal and of one side. So in this case, the length of the diagonal AB is equal to 120 millimeters, and they gave us the length of one side AC 50 millimeters. So the first step we are going to do is construct or draw the diagonal. So we're using our line tool. We want a straight line, so that is 120. Let's label this line. A. B. Alright, so let's move all of this using the move tool to the center of our page, because we would like to have enough room. Okay, so we would have to draw a circle with circumference passing through points A and B. So seeing that we have this distance 120 millimeters, we can find the center, which is 60. So we could use the center start end. Using A as center, we describe an arc 60, cutting the line AB. This will all be on the construction layer. Right, so we know this point here. Copy. Label this O. Okay, so we could have gone through the whole process to bisect this line to get the center, but we have measurements to work with, so we could do a simple subtraction or division by 2 and get that distance and then scribe it here. So using the circle tool, center, radius, let's draw our circle. So center is O and radius is A. This is our circle. Right. Now, using the arc tool, center, start, end, we are going to draw a line, scribe an arc, sorry, to cut the circumference of the circle at a distance of 50. Then, using B as center, we're going to scribe an arc to cut the circumference of this circle at 50 as well. We're going to label these points now. These intersections, sorry. Label this one as C. Now D. Now it's a matter of connecting our points. So in this case, connecting A to C, C to B, B to D, and D to A. And that's our rectangle ADBC, given the length of the diagonal, which is 120 millimeters, and one side AC 50 millimeters.